So I'm here at Walmart trying to get some paint for this project. So I'm here at Walmart trying to get some paint for this project, and I just want to show you. Now mind you, we are like literally like maybe 10 miles from a Walmart distribution center. Look at this. I want blue. This is the only blue in the whole thing, and it's fabric paint. Serious? Alright, now we're at Home Depot, and I got two choices. Sail blue or deep blue. Oh. Navy blue. We got more than one? That's what I was actually after right there. Before we roll into the video today, I'd like to welcome the new subscribers that have just subscribed. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you enjoy what we're doing on the channel. The fox we are working on today is named Frankie. I named it Frankie because it's Frankenstein together. It has parts from several Mustangs so that it can live again. I bought it about 14 months ago. It didn't run, it didn't drive. I had to tow it here. A lot of that has been documented on the channel. I invite you to click. I got a Frankie the Fox playlist. Go back and go through and see what I've done so far, how we got to where we are today. All right, guys, hear me out on this. This hood is not staying, and I wanted something to practice with anyway. Practice designs and colors, just to see what I like. So that's basically what I'm trying to do with this video, is kill three birds with one stone. I'm very happy with the results. I really think that what I've learned with painting this is going to go really well towards the final product with Frankie. So it's a great learning experience that I had, and I might dabble a little bit more with some other things, and I'll be sure to film that as well. So anyway, I just wanted you to hear my thought process here, because for sure this is going to get a different hood on it. So here it is, Frankie the Fox. Enjoy the video. There's a sneak peek from far away of what to expect in this video. What I'm about to do, I'm not an expert, but I'm going to film it because it's going to be part of the history of Frankus. It's I don't know, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night. I want to paint this out in the driveway, not in the garage, because I don't want to get overspray on that beauty. So tonight I'm just gonna clean on the hood a little bit and tape it up, get it ready to shoot out into the driveway tomorrow, and throw a little on it. Oh yes, then the other thing I'm doing, you're supposed to scuff it up for paint, then you're probably supposed to primer it too, but I'm gonna do the scuffing part but not the primering part. It's you know, it's Frankie. I just ran some soapy water down it and just trying to clean it up a little bit. I'm just gonna run just one stripe right down the middle, and I'm gonna just kind of follow this line right here all the way through. I'm gonna let that be my guide, with the tape sitting up on this end, both sides obviously, and run one right down there. And I'm not going to really pay attention too much to this stuff. We'll pretend that doesn't exist. I've also got some crap that's here. Looks like someone filled her in with whiteout, but we're going to send it. Well, there it is. I'm all the way out of grocery ads. That's kind of the gist of what I'm looking for. This tape doesn't like to stick to itself. Yep. See you in the morning. Yeah, good morning, Frankie. It's showtime. This tape held pretty well to the hood itself, but the tape on the tape, kind of a little bit concerning. I just went back over and pushed it all down. I did want to find something to cover that up there. I think I'll be mostly okay. I mean, I'm not the greatest painter, but I can kind of stay away from a lot of this. One thing I'd just like to point out, and I hope this doesn't give an optical illusion, because I have measured across and it is 12 1/8 the whole way down. There's a little dip in the fiberglass there. I don't know if you can see that. I can see it on that side, but I couldn't see it over here last night. This side here, the bubble keeps going. I'm just trying to maybe scuff her up a little bit, help adhesion. Got you in my camera mount, my tripod this time instead of the magnetic base. For changing your view, but there we go. All right, sticky fingers. I knew going in that these cracks were going to show through. I knew going in whatever that is up there was going to show through. It wasn't meant to be perfect. It was meant to be different. And different it is. I'm like the worst at painting, because when I've got something it's all masked off like this, I'm always in a big hurry to see the final product. Dude, I'm just pleased as I'll get out with that. I mean, $4 can of paint and roll of tape, some free newspaper ads, scuffed it up with some 3M Scotch Brite. It's about as good as you can get for a rattle job. So I sat and chewed on it for a bit. I went over to O'Reilly, got some 1/4" red. I would have rather gone about half, but 1/4's the thickest they had that wasn't in 2 stripes. I didn't want 2 stripes. I actually used to do this. I worked at a lot in Salt Lake called Nate Wade Subaru years ago, and I did lots of pinstriping when I worked there, so I do know how to do that. But I don't, painting, that's not my deal. But my lines are straight. And I can attribute that to pinstriping. So here we are, end of the video. Do you like the blue? Do you like the red stripes? Do you think Frankie should be all that color with silver on the bottom like I do? Since I put this stripe on here, I was stopped 3 times today to talk about the car. Is it a coincidence? You tell me, guys. Tell me if you like it down in the comments. I'll give you one last glance over before I shut this down. There it is. It's not perfect, but neither's the car. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Subscribe. Hit the ringy dingy bell and have a good one.